Well, first and foremost, I came here primarily to join in solidarity with the judiciary and particularly with one of our own citizen of Anambra State, Honorable Justice Victoria Wike, who happened to be one of the 22 sworn in today. And we came to felicitate with her and with the rest of them, several of them that I know, Honorable Justice Dimba and so on and so forth. So, but you're talking about the judiciary. I think the CJN said it all. Nigeria is an interesting place with 230 million people, diverse interests, and all wanting to get justice one way or the other. I believe that the judiciary, in the case of Nigeria, is actually, if you like, a bigger, we're standing on a tripod, but I would dare to say that the judiciary is a redeeming tripod for Nigeria. Because if everything else fails, if the judiciary fails, then the entire country unravels. They are there to keep the system stable, live up to the tenets of the Constitution. And I think once they live up to the tenets of the Constitution, the law, and their conscience, I have no doubt that they will continue to dispense justice appropriately. The judiciary in Nigeria, in my view, everything put together, I believe has done well. We have to realize that they are also human beings and they are Nigerians operating within the Nigerian environment, as it were, with all the challenges of our environment. Everything put together. I mean, of everyone else, of every sector, I think the judiciary works the hardest. They put in the longest hours. They work in the office, they work at home. They put in, unfortunately, I'm not quite sure they're appreciated enough in terms of the work that they put into the country. But I have confidence that this generation will continue to make Nigeria proud.